Kamusta mga kapadyak? Kamusta ang mga kapadyak natin? Nakapag-ride na ba kayo? Gandang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back. Nais ko yung tinitignan ko kung kailan ko pwede maipakabit itong aero bars para dun sa ating gravel bike. We're planning to do an epic ride na kailangan natin gamitan ng aero bars. Pero before that, kamusta po kayo? I hope everyone is okay and I hope nakapag-ride na kayo kasi ako at saka si Doc J nakapag-ride na. At yun nga, bakit ako nandito, gusto kong i-share sa inyo yung ginawa naming ride. And in this video also, share ko rin sa inyo na gumamit tayo ng isa pang other POB. I did use the X4 Air of Insta360. Tapos syempre yung trusted na DJI Action 5 na ginagamit natin, siguro isang taon na rin. Halos alam ko yung DJI nung 2025 Grand Fondo ko siya ginamit. Tapos yung Insta360 X4 Air, siguro mga October of 2025 yun eh. So, kaya lang hindi ko masyado nagamit because of the yung attachment. So, nagkakaproblema ako using the X4 Air. Pero ngayon, meron ng bagong attachment or out front mount na lalagay dun sa bike computer. Medyo stable siya. Kaya, makakapag-share ako sa inyo ng ibang klaseng POV. At yun nga, ang video ito is nakapag-ride kami ni Doc J. Wala namang masyado kaming ginawa maliban sa sinamantala lang namin yung pagkakataon. At syempre, sinama na rin namin yung ensayo. So, we did some 100 to 110% of effort doon sa mga climbs from Clark to New Clark City at pabalik. So, it's about 50 plus kilometers bike ride, pero merong mga high intensity effort, yung mga climbs, merong mga threshold, at syempre, recover sa mga lusong at sa mga patag. So, yun. Sana, guys, magustuhan nyo ang video ito. Walang katao-tao dito. Solo yata natin yung parking eh. Malapit sa cycle.
Travel pala, ang bilis ma-wear ng chain, ano?
Kaya ako naka-wax.
Ay, nakakatulong ba siya?
Taon na eh, yung luma kong gravel, taon na hindi pa ako nagpapalit eh.
Talaga?
Ano ba gamit mo?
Wala pang 3 months eh.
Ito, may camera ako dito.
Saan?
Ayan, tinatry ko. Nakabili ako ng ano eh. May bago na kasing mount yung ano eh. Yung Insta360 medyo secure eh, kaya bumili na ako. Pero yung dati kasi hindi secure eh. Ito medyo secure kaya okay na to.
Ito bagong ano na? Bagong model na?
Hindi, mount lang. Pero ano to eh, X4 X4 Air. Mas maliit.
Oo, kaya pala, ano, maliit.
Oo. Isang taon na sa akin to, hindi ko nagagamit eh.
Ganun ba?
Dahil wala akong wala akong mount.
Wala ka mount?
Ginamit ko to nung nagbaag ako yung solo.
So usually yung gumagamit siya, may stick na gano'n eh.
Oo. Eh, may mount na.
Ayaw mo ba yung gano'n?
Ayoko nun. Kasi dati nagka-Insta360 X3 ako. Ang dami kong stamp lang sa gravel. Minsan pagka nilabas mo, tapos biglang, uy, gravel lang. A little bit of sun. Like kami nito, tala kami yung Clark City. So, good morning.
Araw din.
Oo nga. Kaso basa yung daan.
mo, chef, yan talaga yung decals niya, ano, puti.
Oo. Bakit oh?
Hindi ko ba kasi pa, ano? Parang sticker lang siya.
Ah. Alam ko merong gray nito yung Pro. Silver yata, silver.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding when I'm bruising. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. It's your chance to be ruthless.
Nag-effort ako, Dok eh. DO2. Tingnan mo yung tsura ko. Pawis.
Humid pa. Huminga.
Morning.
Ulan dito. Pero ambon pa lang naman. Ayun na, ulan na. Kaya pala nagkakapote yung ano. Nakamotor. Training.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. I'm falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's right. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. I feel sad.
New Clark City, Mulan. Do, ganito nung Gran Fondo. Mas malakas pa rito. Yung Gran Fondo.
Oo nga.
Oo. Grabe, yun na yung pabalik. Saan mapunta?
Yung ba na-accident, diba?
Maraming na flat. Aksidente, wala akong balita. Lista ka, lista. Maglalag ka lang. Kailangan natin itong masarap na almusal. Dumidilim na naman. Pabalik ng Clark. I'm toast. Isa pa. Ay, salamat. Bus na, Dok. Bus na.
Yes.
Pwede na kumain. Solid. Buti nagbike tayo. Deserve natin to, Dok. Nice ride. Ulit yung ride namin ito. Buti na lang pinilit namin lumabas kahit na umulan kanina. So yun, uwi na tayo. Solid din yung breakfast.